In this session, we are going to discuss about the managing the software. When we talk about the managing including the installation, install the software, install and reinstall, and remove the packages. These are the three tasks mainly used for the managing the software: installing, reinstalling, and remove the software. So how we can install and all the things we will discuss in this session. But first we are going to discuss about the understand the software management. What are the software management and how you can do it on the different flavor of the Linux or different distro of the Linux. We will discuss all these things in this session. So first is package management and compiling the source code. So package manager or package management, I have told you, you can do the three things. One is a install, then is maintain, and then remove. It is happened and it can be done with the help of the pre-compiled software. So what is the compiled software or compiling the source code, or what is the source code? For the example, you have seen in a application, you're writing the application or the C program language, C++ language, you have written any program in this language or the Python. There is some basic programming is used, so when the coding is used to create any software, but this software, whatever the software you will create in a C or C++ or Python or other language, so this code will not run directly on the operating system, because operating system only understand about the machine language. They are not understanding high languages or a standard language. They are only considering or understanding the machine language. So converting from the higher level language to machine level language known as a compiling. Means this is the human readable, human understand, and this is the machine. This code will be understood by the machine, and the code written in a C program, other programming languages, these code can be understood by the human and human readable. Okay, but this after the compiling, it will be run on the machine. So what is the source code? Source code is a human readable. Means when you are create a program in a Python and you will upload anywhere, so this will known as a source code. You can compile for the Linux and you can compile for the Windows by using, there is some pre-compiled software. So using this pre-compiled software is easy to manage and works on the most of the hardware. So what is the compiling software? Compiling software is a converts the human readable source code to a machine readable language. Okay, it is easy to understand and modify the code, making up an application. When you are developing a application in a C language or the C++ or any other language, so it is easily understood by the human, but it will not understand by the machine. So in this case, you will have to do the compiling the software. So compiling software is a process to converting the code which is the human readable to the machine readable. Simple.